chat room project, note that I was responsible for the protocols, which concurrently organize all the components of the application. The structure of the application has a server, multiple clients, multiple GUIs, and multiple chat rooms, each of which are an independent process, which have to be managed and synchronized properly. Uh, First things first, we're going to compile all of our files, and then we will start up the application. Note that you can specify a parameter there, which would be the number of clients which will be created. The default is 2. Alrighty. Now that we're organized, note that every command must start with a /. So valid commands include who am I, Nick, with a parameter, or with an argument, join, with an argument which has to have a hash, leave, quit, which will kill the whole application. And I believe that's about it. So first things first, we're going to run who am I. Here we have a default nickname. We'll change that to my own name. Oops. That's not how you do that. It's /Nick, not /who am I. There we are. That makes more sense. So now if we run who am I, we get Cormac. Over here, we'll make this guy John. Note note that John, in this case, cannot change his name to another user's nickname. So if he tries to take my nickname, he gets rejected. Same goes if John tries to change his name to John, because since it's already taken, nobody else is able to take it, including yourself. But note how nothing funky happens. All right, so now we'll actually create a chat room. John will join room 1. Note that the chat room needs to begin with a hash, and since we just started up our server, we know that room 1 doesn't exist yet. So this will also automatically create the chat room. So here now we have room 1, this chat room. John will yell into the abyss. And note how nothing happens on this side because obviously we're not in that chat room yet. So maybe I, Cormac, want to join room 2. Note again that you must have a hash before your room name. All right. Note how they're independent. If one messages into chat room 1, I don't see it in chat room 2, and same goes. Or maybe we'll type something random. Same goes with 2 to 1. But maybe now I want to join room 1. Now, see, we have multiple tabs. We have the system tab, which kind of gives us errors and lets us know about any other commands that we entered. We have chat room 2, which we joined, and we have chat room 1, which we just joined, which has John's message from before. So now if I say hello to John, he will be automatically updated. Now maybe John isn't so fond of us, and John decides to just leave rudely. Note that the /leave automatically leaves the room that you were in, like the tab that you were on. So since I was on chat room 2 and I did /leave, it left chat room 2. But here I could specify the room like this, room 1, hash room 1. Note that I'm in chat room, looking at chat room 2 right now, but since I specified the room, I'm able to leave room 1. So maybe that wasn't the space that John wanted to see us, but John's more than happy to see us in room 2. Joined room 2, and he sees our gibberish. And we're back to here. Just to close up, I'm going to leave this guy. Note how you cannot leave the Systems tab. We're also going to leave here. Oops. And we're just going to quit. Yep, that quit. Unfortunately, since I wasn't responsible for the GUI, sometimes it doesn't close on the hash quit. But note that everything's dummy now. It doesn't actually work. The window just doesn't close. But anyways, we'll also do the same here, just to clean up. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.